On here is a tempered glass screen protector. I bet you couldn't even tell. This is my $1,500 phone. I wouldn't suggest this, but I do want to show you the quality of glass that we actually use here. This is my personal phone. Don't do this at home, children. But it actually does work. And if you see here, the phone is crystal clear. I see no scratches. Let's give it a little clean here with some alcohol. And it is crystal clear. And let me take it off to show you that it actually is on here. And it's just that easy to take off sometimes. But as you can see, it's not broken. Let me show. We just bent it 180 degrees and it has not broken. This is some strong tempered glass. Ooh. Well, that worked out pretty well. You can see the quality of this is top notch. We recommend tempered glass for any iPhone or any Galaxy. This is your way to prevent your phone from breaking and not pay a full price for a repair. We're located inside the Bridgewater Commons Mall 7 days a week. You want to park by the Cheesecake Factory and Uncle Julio's, walk straight in, and we're directly under the escalator.